Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning in to Shop Talk with Sarah. I know we came to you a little early today, but figured, hey, we have time, so let's do it. So I'm really excited. We've been kind of taking a break from the Bridesmaids, but I wanted to show you some of the newer ones that we got in. And on a couple of them, I really just want to show you the backs because they're really pretty in the front, but they're really interesting in the back, in a good way. So I'm going to start over here. I'm just going to show you one. I really love the color of this dress, and I've had a few other people who have put it on say the same thing, which is awesome, because I know sometimes when you see it hanging around a mannequin, you're like, yeah, it's a nice color, but it's really good on too as well. But I just love the soft draping here, and of course you get your nice flowy chiffon skirt, and these spaghetti straps, which it gives you that support that you want. But really, this dress, the back of it is awesome. And ignore my little clip here, I had to get it to fit on our mannequin. But how cute is this, that it just kind of falls over here, and it is connected at the waist, so it's not connected straight to that strap, so you get it to go down a little further. I just think that's so fun, and it connects right at your neck here and falls in. How fun is that? So really cute front, really fun back. I love that. Okay. I'm just a fan of like all chiffon dresses though too, so that helps. This one also, I love, it has a little blousey top here, and it goes all the way around. You get these little flutters here, which is so cute. It does come solid as well. So if you don't want that print, you can get it in solid colors, okay? But still, really beautiful. I really do love this ivory print. I think it'd be a really awesome rehearsal dinner dress, or even like day after, if you're going on a plane ride, it'd be a pretty comfortable dress for that as well. So super cute, love the soft pinks in there. This next one, I'm a huge fan of dark colors, so I love what it's shown in. It does come in other colors as well, but you have a little bit of fit through this skirt, really comfortable material, and I just love these lace cap sleeves. I know sometimes it's hard to see on our black mannequins, the navy, but how cute is that? And just this little bit of sparkle at the waist. That is a belt, so if you didn't want that there, you could take it off. You don't have to keep that, but you know me, I'll put sparkle on anybody. So if you like the sparkle, I love that it comes with the dress. Or if you wanted to do more on any of these, really, you could put a different belt on there as well, which is super cool. Okay, and I just love this lace top as well. It is a sweetheart underneath, just a slight sweetheart, and it is sheer from here to here, which is such a fun little touch that Desi does on their dresses. Yeah, super cute cap sleeves. Love the lace, love the fitted skirt. It's kind of got a little of everything. This next one, it has sparkle, so you know I'm going to like it. But what I love, and really I love about all of these, is they're going to be great on everyone. You know, you don't have to worry about different bridesmaids not liking them because they're just going to look great on all of them. So I love your ruche top. I really like this detail, how they bring it in the center. I think that's beautiful. And of course, my mannequin's moving a little bit at me. There's a little bit of sparkle on the waist, just a touch. You know, just so that they get that little shimmer. I think it's really fun to give your girls that option as well. Once again, so many colors that this comes in. So how pretty is that? It's like you get your simplicity with that sparkle, which is so awesome. This last one, once again, I love the color in person. It's so gorgeous. But just your really nice, elegant front, which I love. It has that chiffon skirt. It's not super flowy, but you do have a little bit to it. Okay? Love this on the top. Super flattering. Okay? But I'm going to show you the back again, because it's a super fun back on this one as well, like that first one. I'm loving that they're doing this fluttery stuff on the backs of their dresses. I love that it's this little crisscross here. Once again, it goes to the waist, so you're not just ending right there. You get to pull it through, which is so fun. And you can see even on the back here that it does have that little bit of fit to the skirt, but it is still flowy with having that chiffon, which is so fun. But once again, these little flutter details that they're doing, this one, that first one, and even this blousey top on here is so cute, and I love it. Okay? I really wanted to show you those details. So these are just a few of our new bridesmaids dresses. We, of course, do have a lot more dresses than this. And what we love to do is just kind of get a sense of what you're going for and what your girls are going for and give them the VIP treatment just like we give all of our brides and our moms. Because we want you to know you're all special to us, and we love helping you all find the perfect dress. Of course, they come in so many colors, so if you have a specific color in mind, let us know right away, and we can even look at swatches first. Otherwise, if you're a little more open, we can just grab dresses and narrow down color from there. So super excited to work with you and your bridesmaids, and even some of these actually would be awesome for moms too, depending on your style. So we'd love to have you in. If you have any questions about any of these or any other dresses, just let us know. You can send us a message on Facebook, you can text us or call or email. Okay? We look forward to hearing